Through your iPhone, you can access the Doc Patient Network to manage your patients and virtually run your practice from anywhere. If you're not a member of the Doc Patient Network, you can register for a free account using your iPhone. Just click Register, fill in your personal information, then your organization information, and click Submit. You will now be a member of the Doc Patient Network. To log in, simply type in your username and password and click Go. Upon logging in, the Day View will display. This will display any appointments that are on your schedule for today. There are other tabs available to you as well. The Month View, this can be used to access your schedule for any date selected. List, this will display a list of patients with their global status. Just select a patient and it will show that they are admitted to a particular hospital. And Find Patient, this is used to select a patient for any organization that the provider belongs to. Once the patient is selected, it displays all the reports for the patient for the day and gives you the ability to edit and view the report from there. Our iPhone application and web application are integrated, so any appointments or reports created using your iPhone will update in the web application as well. To create an appointment using your iPhone, click the plus sign. You can create 3 different types of appointments: a patient appointment, a business appointment, and an appointment for an unregistered patient. To create an appointment for a patient, select your date and time, the duration of your appointment, the organization, and the location of service. Select your appointment type and search for your patient. Once your criteria has been set, click Save. And your appointment has been added to your schedule. Going back to the web application, if you refresh your screen, you will see that that newly created appointment will display on the web application as well. Going back to the iPhone, from the Day View, if you select your patient appointment, you can view details of the appointment. You can also call your patient by simply clicking on the patient's phone number, and you can place that call. You can also view the patient's chart by clicking on Patient Files, and you can view any uploaded documents that are in the patient's chart. To create a report for this patient, simply click New Report. Select your template, select your report type, and click Save. You can also add images to your patient by taking a photo. You can take a photo of the patient's insurance card, and you can also take a photo of anything, such as of a wound, and you can save it to the patient chart or to the report. To add a dictation to your note, simply click Dictation, and all of the available dictation options are available to you. You can dictate as free text if you're using a modal, or you can dictate using scribe services through Doctations or your own transcriptionists. Or you can use real-time voice recognition. Select the section in which you'd like to dictate and start dictating. This is a 55-year-old female complaining of back pain. And your dictation has now been added to your report. You can also add shared patient data sections to your report as well. You can view them by simply clicking View, or you can add them by selecting them, and they will be added to your report. Once your report has been saved, you can go back to the web application and view that report. Select your patient, and you can view the newly created report. The SPDB sections that you added to the note, and the text that we dictated will appear as well. Once the report is e-signed, it will be sent out to be coded. Based on the codes, charges will be created in the form of an electronic claim, which will then be sent to the clearinghouse for processing. And you can e-sign that report using your iPhone. Simply select your report and select e-sign report. The entire process of a patient encounter, from scheduling the appointment to getting paid for your services, can all be done using your iPhone. You can now see more patients and spend more time with your patients without the hassle of tedious paperwork. Please visit our website at www.docpatient.com for more information on the DocPatient Network.